Case management, a collaborative process that assesses, plans, implements, coordinates, monitors, and evaluates opinions and services to meet an individual health needs through communication and available resources to promote quality, cost-effective outcomes. Characteristics of case management. They handle each case individually. In general, case manager can handle a load of 25 patients. Case managers use critical pathways and multidisciplinary action plans to plan patient care. Responsibilities of case managers: assessing clients and their homes and communities, coordinating and planning client care, collaborating with other health team, monitoring client progress and client outcomes, advocating for clients, serving as a liaison with third party. Merits: additional work efficiency due to geographical proximity, establishes solid relationships with nursing and auxiliary staff working on the unit. Case management provides a well coordinated care, provides comprehensive care. It seeks the active involvement of the patient, family, and diverse health professionals. Demerits: some experts are argued that this role should be reserved for advanced practitioner, nurse, or an RN with advanced training or need 3 to 5 year experience. The case manager should also be extremely bright, have well developed interpersonal skills, be able to multitask, have a strong foundation in utilization review, and understand payer patient specifics and hospital reimbursement mechanisms. It is expensive. Next is modular type of nursing. Modular nursing is a modification of team nursing and focuses on the patient's geographic location for staff assignments. Characteristics: the patient unit is divided into modules or districts, and the same team of caregivers is assigned consistently to the same geographical location. Each location or module has an RN assigned as a team leader, and other team members may include LPN. The team leader is accountable for all the patient care and is responsible for providing leadership for team members and creating a cooperative work environment. The success of the modular nursing depends greatly on leadership abilities of the team leader. Merits: nursing care hours are usually cost effective. The client is able to identify personnel who are responsible for his care. All care is directed by a registered nurse. Continuity of care is improved. The RN as team leader is able to be more involved in planning and coordinating care. Safe staff time, feelings of participation and belonging. Workload can be balanced and shared. Develop leadership skills. Continuity of care is facilitated. Everyone has the opportunity to contribute to the care plan. Demerits: costs may be increased to stock each takes time, effort, and constancy of personnel. Unstable staffing pattern make team difficult. There is less individual responsibility and autonomy regarding nursing function. All personnel must be client-centered. The team leader must have complex skills and knowledge. The principal elements of PPC: intensive care or critical care in progressive patient care, intermediate care, convalescent and self-care, long-term care, home care, and ambulatory care are the principal elements of progressive patient care. Merits: efficient use is made of personnel and equipment. Clients are in the best place to receive the care. Use of nursing skills and expertise are maximized. Clients are moved towards self-care. Independence is fostered where indicated. Efficient use and placement of equipment is possible. Persons have greater probability to function towards a fullest capacity. Demerits: discomfort to clients who are moved often. Continuity of care is difficult. Nurse-client relationships are difficult to arrange. Great emphasis is placed on comprehensive written care plan. There is often difficulty in meeting administrative need of the organization, staffing, evaluation, and accreditation. Thank you.